Welcome to the Full Octane Garage, and today's topic is going to be floor mats. Floor mats specifically for our GMC Denali. So do you have a GMC pickup truck and you're trying to decide, do I go ahead and go with the GMC WeatherTech light floor mats or WeatherTech floor mats? We decided to go with the GMC floor mats this time because honestly, we like them better. They seem to fit very, very good. They're designed exactly for a GMC. The WeatherTechs are fine, love WeatherTech, but for this particular application, we decided to go with GMC floor mats, and this is actually 2 years later and 20,000 miles for the front floor mats. They have been phenomenal, have had no issues with them whatsoever. They're not wearing one bit. They clean up really nice. We've had the rear floor mats for almost 2 years now. We never have installed them because we've had a dilemma. Do we remove the package tray, put the floor mats in, and bolt the package tray on top of the floor mats, leaving them inaccessible to remove, or do we cut the lip off right in front of the package tray? And that's what the GMC parts manager recommended doing, and then set them in so they are removable and cleanable more easily. That's what we elected to do, and we're going to show you exactly how we did that. So stick with us, and we'll be right back. In the past, we've bought GMC floor mats, and there's also WeatherTech floor mats. And the GMC floor mat, when it comes out of the box from the factory, it is designed to go in the back seat of the vehicle, and then past this raised lip, it's designed to go underneath the package tray. And that would give your package tray some additional protection from moisture, from things spilling. The only problem with that is the package tray screws down. So what you would have to do is unscrew your package tray, put the floor mats in, screw your package tray back down, and then the floor mats are now not removable without unscrewing the package tray. I like to be able to wash my mats off periodically, so GMC gives the other option of taking some cutters and cutting around the back line of this floor mat, still leaving the protection so that moisture would not flow beyond this lip, but it would negate the fact of you having to take off that package tray. And there's nothing saying that we still can't put this down in the package tray once we're done. So I am going to separate it on this particular truck, and I'll show you what it looks like once we're completed. All right, we've completed our trimming. They fit perfectly in here. They fit very nicely. They're designed by GM. We cut a little bit of an extra lip on the back side of these just so that we would have it going up to the package tray. It seams in the middle and snaps together. And, you know, looking at the package tray, I really don't keep anything that would spill in here, so I am not going to bother trimming out the rest of it and putting rubber down in here. I'll save them maybe for a future date. But once you put the seats down, you have plenty of protection with the GMC floor mats in the back. And the same thing on the front. We've had these in here for 2 years already. I was just a little late putting the rear ones in, but the front ones have been holding up phenomenal. I've got 21,000 miles on the truck. They clean up nicely. Got the GMC insignia on them. And honestly, I think I'd choose these over the WeatherTech. So thanks for being with us at the Full Octane Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and come back and see us often.